And then we have a smidge clip.
Can I have a close-up?
Yeah. And the last video we just had overflowing. The memory card was broken. With 2 phones.
Yes, true.
And we got the smidge clip. Can I try it on myself?
Yeah, sure.
I want you guys to be a camera so I can.
Yes, nice.
Ouch, it hurt.
Nice one, Ray.
It hurt.
You smell the chocolate on it?
Oh yeah, I forgot to wash it first.
It doesn't matter. You got a chocolate
I
here.
just got a piece of hair on the clip.
Yes, okay.
Let's
Now the
open
second.
egg.
Yeah, now the second egg.
Let's keep opening it until I finish opening. I'll feed the egg and then. Okay, this one is already pre-cracked, so we have to be careful. Can I eat some? It's gonna eat some, don't mind me. Just gonna eat some chocolate. Oh,
It's milk chocolate. Tastes good or tastes bad?
tastes good. Yum, yum, yum. Open it for me, please. Yum, yum, yum. Ow.
See what you get. Another clip.
What is it the same?
No, it's not the same. You got 2 clips now.
I forgot what his name is.
It doesn't matter. Who cares?
Yummy! We got these 2 clips.
Chocolate clips. How about the
you
front
have
one?
to wash it first.
Yeah, we need to wash it later. Now the front one.
I just put it on my head. So I have a chocolate smelling hair.
Yeah, I like chocolate and I want to eat your head.
But you're not going to eat my head. Because my head is a real head. Does it make any sense?
Yes.
Let's open the prize.
Yeah, see what's this. What's next?
Ah!
Another clip?
Yes, and it's
Is the same or different?
different. It is Sky Diamond.
So you got 3 different
Sky
clips.
Diamond!
It's good. This time you got. Yeah, let us have a close up on all your clips.
Like me? It's like this side. Okay, let's clip them all together. I know how to clip them all together. Okay. You can have your own pre-made fidget spinner by using clips. You can spin it, but my hand is too small. Oh no, this is backwards. Sorry. Okay, now done.
Ah, it's good. You look good.
It's.
I like the chocolates actually. I don't like the clips.
Hey, clips are for girls, not
Yeah, it's
for
not
boys.
for me, not for the cameraman.
So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Now we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button.